Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your glamorous penny pincher Shalomi, and today I'm coming to you with a super glam, heavily jeweled pumpkin using items from Totally Dazzled. If you want to see how I put it all together, just keep on watching. So here are the items needed for this DIY. The first thing I have here is this styrofoam pumpkin covered in bling. I got this from the Dollarama for $2.50. I really like it because it's light and easy to work with. The next thing you'll need, of course, are items from Totally Dazzled, and I'm using these beautiful brooches. Look at that. Different shapes, sizes, a lot of glam, a lot of shimmer. Just absolutely beautiful. Take a look how gorgeous this one is with the pearls. They come in all different shapes and sizes, small, medium, large. You can get them in gold, silver, or rose gold. Absolutely gorgeous. I'll definitely leave a link below for you to go ahead and check out Totally Dazzled. And lastly, we will need our handy dandy hot glue gun to complete this project. Totally Dazzled has different pieces. They have flat backs, they have buckles, and they also have brooches. But in order to get rid of the clasp on the back of the brooch, you just need your scissors. Just place it right up under there and just pop it off. Easily removed. That way the brooch sits flat on your project. Now, the easiest way I found to do this was to start on the sides. So I'm going to use this beautiful piece as my first piece, and I'm just going to anchor it right on the side of the pumpkin. Now here I'm just simply adding hot glue to the back of the brooch, and I'm putting it more so on the parts that are raised, the parts that I know are going to come in contact with the pumpkin. I want to make sure that I have enough glue on there. Be generous with your glue when you're doing this because you want your brooch to really hold to that pumpkin. So after adding my glue, I just place it in the desired area, put it right on there, and then I'm just going to press it in and hold it firmly until it sets. And there you go. The first piece is already on, and we are off to a great start. Now remember, your pumpkin is styrofoam. It's very light, so it may tilt after you apply the first brooch. The best way to fix that is to find another brooch that's of a similar size and place it on the opposite side of the pumpkin to create a balance. Then your pumpkin will sit flat. And here we are, guys. The second one has been added. The pumpkin is now balanced and will sit flat. So what I'll be doing now is just working on the sides all the way around, fill those gaps in, and then we'll move on to the next step. And this is what it looks like with the sides filled in. It's absolutely gorgeous. We could almost stop here, but why stop? We have more brooches and more flat backs, so let's keep going. So now I'm just going to fill the top in with the remaining brooches and flat backs and all that wonderful stuff that I have until it's fully covered. And here it is, guys, all done, fully covered in all of the glam, the glimmer, the shine, you name it, it's here. And where I got this idea from was a brooch bouquet, like a brooch bouquet for brides. I thought, why not try it on a pumpkin? And it turned out beautiful. I liked it so much that I went ahead and I made a silver one, of course. So now we have two. Here is the silver. It turned out just as great as the gold. Like I said, this is not for the faint at heart. These are for my hardcore glimmer glam penny pinchers. All right? Okay, let's go ahead and style them. And here is the first look. I have paired it with some faux flowers and a candlestick. And yes, it is sitting in my golden tiara tray. Just look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, if you are a glam, shimmer, and shine girl like me, I know you're just enjoying this right now. So go ahead and get you some items from Totally Dazzled. Again, I'll leave you a link below. That way you can order your pieces and get your pumpkin and get your project together. Look how gorgeous that is. And guys, I'm styling it in the kitchen. Yes, the light in there was absolutely beautiful and I did not want to waste the daylight, okay? And for the second look, I went with a little bit of contrast with a silver mirror tray using the same items except for I added a couple of coasters. But again, I just can't get over the shimmer and I can't get over the shine. It is absolutely gorgeous and you can use it basically anywhere in the house. Okay, depends on where you want to put it, the bathroom, the living room, the kitchen, the sitting area, wherever. It is just absolutely gorgeous. You can even gift it to another glam friend that loves the shimmer and shine. Here we are again. I'm using the same items. This time I have changed the tray to the white tray with the gold mirror on the inside. And like I said, any way you style this, it's gonna be gorgeous. Now I've changed it and I'm using a cake stand to place it in with the lid, so cloche style, and I still have my candlesticks and my coasters. This is absolutely great to have on display during the fall months. It is a great conversation piece displayed anywhere in your home and somebody's gonna ask you to talk about it when they come over. Absolutely gorgeous. And here is the silver pumpkin. I have also styled it with candlesticks with these beautiful candles that I embellished using Totally Dazzled items. Also, here it is. It is sitting on another candle holder, like a votive candle holder. It's on the silver mirror tray and I have some coasters laid out beside it as well. Absolutely gorgeous. Whether it be silver or gold, definite conversation starters. And here they are together, guys, and I've just used items from both looks, so mixing the silver with the gold. I still kept the silver tray, but I have like the vase with the gold and just did a little bit of mixing with it just to play with it a little bit. I am having so much fun with these two pieces. It's just unbelievable. Okay, absolutely gorgeous. Leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about these pumpkins. Like I said, it's not for the faint at heart. Some people are going to absolutely hate it and some people are going to love it. But either way, leave me a comment and let me know which one you prefer, whether it be silver or gold. And that is all I have for you today, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have enjoyed this project and will try one of your own. If this is your first time seeing my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I truly do appreciate you and would love for you to join the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below. And don't you forget that notification bell that's located right beside the subscribe button. Hit that as well. That way you're the first to know when I upload new videos. And to all my oldies but goodies, my lovely penny pinchers, You know how I feel about you. Love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is Shalom saying bye-bye.